I have exactly 24 hours to figure out how to be romantic, and I am officially panicking. My brain is completely blank.
Oh no, Alex. Let me guess. You forgot that tomorrow is Valentine's Day and you have zero plans.
I did not forget. I just selectively delayed my planning to build excitement. But seriously, how do I express my feelings in English without sounding like a robot?
That is exactly what we are going to fix today. Welcome to our Valentine's Day special, everyone. I'm Emma, and I am here to save Alex from a romantic disaster.
Please save me. I need all the advice, the vocabulary, and maybe a script I can read from my hand.
Let us start with some basic vocabulary. Before you date someone, you usually have a crush on them. A crush is a strong feeling of attraction.
Oh, I know this one. I had a huge crush on my math teacher in high school. What is the word for when you are totally obsessed with them?
A great word for that is smitten. If you are smitten with someone, you are completely captivated by them.
Smitten. That sounds like a type of little kitten. Wait, is that where the word comes from?
Not at all, Alex. It actually comes from the word smite, which means to strike. It is like love has struck you suddenly.
That makes sense. Love strikes me all the time, mostly when I see pizza. But let us stick to people today.
Now, let us talk about how to suggest plans. When giving romantic advice or making a plan, we use phrases like how about or we could.
Okay, let me try. You must go to dinner with me because it is Valentine's Day. How was that?
That was terrible, Alex. You sound like a dictator. Never use must for an invitation. It is much too aggressive.
Right, no ordering people around. So what should I say instead to sound polite?
Try using a question. You can say, how about we grab dinner tonight? Or, I was wondering if you would like to go out.
I was wondering if you would like to go out. That sounds so smooth. I sound like a gentleman already.
Once you are actually on the date, you need to know what to say. Here is a classic phrase. You take my breath away.
You take my breath away. That sounds dangerous, Emma. Should I call a doctor if that happens?
It is a metaphor, Alex. It just means the person is so beautiful or amazing that you are shocked. Another great phrase is, you mean the world to me.
I like that one. It is big and dramatic. You mean the world to me. Can I say that on a first date?
Absolutely not. That is way too serious for a first date. Save that phrase for someone you have been with for a long time.
Good to know. Write that down, guys. Do not scare your dates away on day one.
Let us look at a very common mistake English learners make. Many people say, I am loving you.
Wait, I hear that in pop songs all the time. Are you saying the famous singers are wrong?
Yes, pop songs often break grammar rules for the rhythm. Love is a state verb, so we do not usually put it in the continuous ing form.
So I just look deep into their eyes and say, I love you. Simple and classic.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Another mistake is saying, I am boring with you, instead of, I am bored with you.
If you say, I am boring with you on a date, you probably will not get a second date anyway. Navigating the friend zone.
Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the other person might not feel the same way. They might let you down gently.
Let you down gently. That sounds painful but soft. Does that mean they say no but nicely?
Precisely. They might say, I think you are great, but I just see you as a friend. This is known as the friend zone.
Ah, the dreaded friend zone. I have a VIP membership to that club. Is there any escape?
It is tough to escape, Alex. If they say they value your friendship, it is best to respect their boundaries and move on gracefully.
Move on gracefully. Got it. I will just go home and eat my heart-shaped chocolates alone.
Let us practice. We will do a role play where you ask me out on a date. Ready?
I'm born ready. Hey, Emma, do you have any plans for Friday night?
Not really. I am completely free. Why do you ask?
Well, I was wondering if you would like to grab dinner with me.
Like a date? Or just as friends hanging out?
Definitely a date. I know this incredibly romantic Italian place downtown.
That sounds wonderful, Alex. I would love to go.
Fantastic. Should I pick you up around 7 o'clock?
7 works perfectly for me. I am really looking forward to it.
Great. It is a date then. I will see you on Friday.
See you then, Alex? Excellent job. Now let us do a second role play. We are at the restaurant, and you need to give me a compliment.
Okay, setting the mood. Emma, you look absolutely stunning tonight.
Thank you so much, Alex. You look very handsome yourself.
Thank you. I ironed this green shirt just for you. Have you ever been to this restaurant before?
No, this is my first time. The atmosphere is incredibly cozy and romantic.
I am glad you like it. I really wanted to take you somewhere special today.
That is very sweet of you. What do you recommend from the menu here?
The pasta is amazing, but honestly, I am completely distracted by your beautiful eyes.
Oh wow, that is a very smooth line, Alex. Did you practice that at home?
Maybe just a little bit in front of the mirror this morning. Did it work?
It definitely worked. You get an A+ in romance today.
Okay, my brain is full of romance now. Let us do a quick recap before I forget everything.
Remember to use phrases like, I was wondering if you would like to, when asking someone out. Do not use must.
And if I really like them, I can say I am smitten, but I should never say I am loving you.
Correct. Keep your compliments genuine, like saying, you look stunning tonight.
And if I end up in the friend zone, I just eat my pizza and move on gracefully.
You have got it perfectly, Alex. I think you are completely ready for Valentine's Day tomorrow.
I actually feel confident now. Thank you, Emma, and thank you all for listening to our romantic special.
We hope these phrases help you impress your crush or your partner. Do not forget to practice them out loud.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone you're smitten with. See you next time.